How to fix recording preferences grayed out in Xbox Game Bar. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter is a built-in tool that can automatically identify and fix problems with apps downloaded from the Microsoft Store, including Xbox Game Bar. This troubleshooter can reset the app's cache or correct settings that may have become corrupted. Repairing or resetting the Game Bar app can resolve any issues stemming from corrupted or incomplete files. Reinstalling the Xbox Game Bar can resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted files. This action will remove the current version and replace it with the latest version available from the Microsoft Store. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Link in description. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.